Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to share my daily skincare routine. So the first thing that I'm going to use is Urban Color Makeup Melting Wipes. These wipes are suitable for all skin types and it removes waterproof makeup as well. The best thing that I find about these wipes is that it has chamomile extract, which basically soothes your skin and at the same time it removes all the impurities from the skin. These wipes are really good because they remove any waterproof high pigment makeup from your skin, and since it's infused with chamomile extract, it refreshes and reinvigorate the skin without the use of water. And they come in a very travel friendly package, so that's really good. So here you can see how the makeup wipes have got rid with any makeup that I had on the skin. So now the next thing that I'm using is the Shloka Moroccan Argan Oil Cleanser. So it basically cleanses as well as moisturizes your skin. It removes any skin impurities and makeup residue that you have on your skin, and it provides hydration. So I have taken a pea size of the cleanser onto my palm and I am applying it on my face immediately, and it cleanses all the impurities from your skin. It is enriched with Moroccan argan oil beads and vitamin E. Now after washing my face, I am drying it by patting it with the towel, and I'm getting ready for the next step. Step is using the Shloka 3-in-1 cleanser, toner and makeup remover. It again is infused with green tea and chamomile extract. I'm taking 2-3 drops of the toner on the cotton pad and I'm applying it all over my face. First I am applying it by sliding it on my skin, and then I'm patting it into my skin to fill all the pores that I have. This toner is really good because it again tones your face in just one step, and as it is infused with green tea, so it detoxifies while chamomile extract leaves the skin soft and supple. The next step is definitely my favorite step. It is the Pro White Super Soothing and Anti-Aging Mask. I love this sheet mask. It is enriched with aloe vera and it's super easy to apply and it leaves your skin so supple. Now the directions to use this mask are very easy. You just have to take out the mask from the package and spread it evenly over the entire face, avoiding the eyes and the lip area. Ideally, you should keep the mask for 15 to 20 minutes and relax for all the extract to enter into your skin and keep it hydrated. Now it's been almost 20 to 25 minutes that I've had the mask on. I have removed it and I'm going to spread whatever liquid that I had evenly to my face. Now the mask has a lot of liquid that is still left in the package, so I'm just going to take it out and spread it all over my face for that extra hydration. I don't want it to go waste. This mask has aloe vera leaf extract, so it soothes the skin, leaving it refreshed and renewed, and it helps in moisturizing and improving the elasticity of the skin. Now the next step in my skincare routine is using the Fruit of the Earth Calming White Hydrating Mist. Now this mist tones and calms your skin at the same time. It has jasmine, apple, cherry fruit waters, green tea, aloe vera and mulberry fruit extracts. This has a beautiful fragrance and it is made from pure distilled water of jasmine, which helps restoring and maintaining the pH balance of the skin. Now after toning, it is time for applying the serum. I'm using the Pro White Anti-Spot Radiance Serum. It has a high performance formula to treat and minimize dark spots and uneven skin tones. So I am put a little bit of drops all over my face, and I'm going to evenly spread it by massaging it into my skin. The best thing that I like about this serum is that unlike other serums that you get in the market, it is super light, and it has an oil-free texture which quickly absorbs into the skin to effectively control melanin production, and it reduces skin discoloration. So here is one pro tip for all the people who have dry skin. You can use this serum before makeup with your skincare to really hydrate your skin and to keep it nourished, so that you don't have any creases or your makeup doesn't go dry on your skin. Now it's time for some protection. So I'm using the Shloka under eye cream. This cream has ashwagandha and gotuluka in it. So the best way to use this cream is to use your fingertips. This cream helps to reduce dark circles, puffiness, and any fine lines that you might have, and you can apply it by patting it into your skin. The next step in protecting your skin is the whitening cream. So you don't necessarily have to use this cream. I use it because I have blemishes and other dark spots around my face, and I would really like to lighten those spots. But if you don't have those pigmented areas or any troubled spots around your face, then you can totally skip this step and go to the next step. Now the last step in my skincare routine is using a moisturizer, which is the Pro White Fresh Radiance Day Cream. Now the best part about this is that it comes with SPF 15, so I don't really have to apply an SPF above it. Although if you're going out in the sun, then I would recommend you to apply SPF above it for better protection. Now this cream is useful for normal to dry skin types, and it has 4-in-1 Radiance Whitening Complex, which is proven to protect and lighten the skin tone. Again, the best part of this cream is that it is not very thick, it is very light, and it's non-sticky, and it doesn't feel too heavy on the skin. The very last thing that I like to do for the hydration of my lips is using the Urban Color Lip Balm. It is in the strawberry flavor. It comes in the other 2 flavors as well. So this was all from my side for today. I really hope that you liked the video. If you did, then it would be great if you could subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys in our next video. Thank you.